Alright, I just got in my mail my Crafter's Companion delivery, and I don't know if they're just giving you whatever they want or if they're paying attention to what you've ordered. But I ordered the Sunflower collection. I got this Everlast collection. I don't normally like old-fashioned looking stuff, and that's what this one is. So I guess they were trying to sub in something. Maybe they ran out of the Sunflower, which makes me mad because it didn't say it was out when I ordered it. So I'll contact them and see if they make it right. Sometimes they're able to, sometimes not. At the very least, hopefully they can give me a refund. But I really wanted the Sunflower one. But okay, so for the rest of what I got the Crafter's Companion latest kit. Hopefully it is the penny one. I'm not going to open the box yet. I'll do a reveal on it separate. Then I got last year's sentiment book from Hunkydory. And I got the Go Bananas penny one. And then I didn't realize I already had one, but hey, you can't have too much glue stuff. I got a glue pen. And is this already here? Maybe that was already, because I already have that. And like I said, there is a tag pad, inserts, and the toppers. What I ordered was the Sunflower topper, card inserts, and parchment. So that's pretty much it. So, oh, and the other item I got was the Sentiment New Baby. And this was pretty cheap, so I was happy with that. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to like and share my videos, and hopefully I can get it resolved with them on what I didn't get. Thank you. Bye-bye.